Make a great choice today with the 2016 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.